Hi guys, today we'll see how to create paddle game in Scratch application. So let us start creating the paddle game. Choose the appropriate backdrop. Okay, neon tunnel backdrop. Next choose the sprite ball. One more sprite is paddle. Paddle sprite, take out this one, then write the code for the ball sprite, select the event when green flag button is been clicked, control, the ball should move continuously, move if on edge bounce, set rotation is left to right. Okay, here is going in the moving the ball in the if it is touching on edge, it's a bouncing, and rotation style will be in the left to right style. Now if you want the ball should be moving in all direction, set the point in direction as 45. Next, at the starting of the game, it should be in a particular location. Then set go to x and y coordinates in particular location. Whenever you click on this green flag, change its appearance to whichever this costume you want, you can select. This is how it's moving. Now for the paddle. For paddle means you should go wherever the mouse pointer is moving. So for that, again select the event. Next, set. So make the paddle should be in a particular location. Set X. Next, forever it should move wherever mouse pointer is moves. Wherever mouse pointer moves, it should move. Okay. Like this. It's moving properly. Now the condition: if ball touches the paddle, if so control, if ball touches the paddle, if ball, for ball sprite only we are writing, if ball touches paddle, make the ball should move in a particular direction. The pick 90 to 120 direction. In this direction it should move. So, next one, next code is if it is going beyond the paddle, in that position the game should over. Okay. So if y position, for that operator, if y position less than minus 150, it's the y coordinates. Okay, the broadcast the message. Broadcast broadcast message as new message, give the proper message name as stop. Okay. Now and stop all the games. Stop all. Okay. So next we need to create the one more sprite for game over. Game over. Select the code. When you click on the green flag, it should hide. That sprite should hide. It should not visible to the user. But when you select the stop, when I receive this stop message, it should visible. So show. Okay. Whenever if it is the ball crossing the location, that is minus 150, it's a position y coordinates, it should broadcast the message as a stop, and it should stop means the game should over. So how check? It's a bouncy. Game over. It's like entire execution is stopped. Again, if you want, you can start. Wherever the mouse pointer is moving, that is also moving. Game over. It is crossed the minus 150, then it is stopped. So this is the paddle game in Scratch application. Our channel is Scratch Tutorials. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.